After adding device and connect network control can be seen on the home page when we open Sassin Smart app. Click Control on the home page, View Circuit List. Click the switch button on the right side of the circuit, remote control each line. Click the icon in the lower right corner to switch other devices. You can click each circuit in the circuit list to view the details of each line's electricity state, such as power consumption, voltage, current, temperature, leakage value. Set up each line's picture name, over/under voltage threshold, maximum rated current, power consumption of month, lock manual switch on interface, detail.